What if you could turn a simple text prompt into a full video without editing everything by hand? That's exactly what InVideo AI is designed to do. InVideo AI is an AI video generator that lets you create videos just by typing what you want. Instead of starting with a blank timeline, you give it your idea, choose details like your audience and platform, and the tool generates a video draft for you. According to InVideo AI, it can build the script, add video clips, subtitles, background music, transitions, and then let you fine-tune everything inside its editor. The big appeal here is speed. Traditional video creation usually means scripting, sourcing visuals, recording voiceovers, editing scenes, and then polishing everything after. InVideo AI tries to compress that workflow into a much simpler process. You type your concept, the AI turns that into a first cut, and then you keep refining it from there. One of the more useful parts is that it doesn't stop at generation. InVideo AI also lets you edit the video with another prompt. So if you want to delete a scene, replace stock footage, or even change the voice accent, you can type that instruction instead of manually rebuilding the sequence. That makes it feel less like a traditional editor and more like a conversation-based video tool. Another strong feature is how it handles visuals and voice. InVideo AI says it uses a library of more than 16 million stock photos and videos to match footage to your scenes. It also offers AI voiceovers with different languages, accents, and male or female voice options, which can be useful if you want content without recording yourself on camera or microphone. And that matters for a lot of users. If you're a creator, marketer, business owner, or someone making content at scale, the hardest part is often time. You may know what you want to say, but turning that into a polished video takes effort. Tools like this are built for people who want to move faster, publish more often, and reduce the technical side of production. InVideo AI even frames it as a way to create videos without a learning curve, which is a major part of its pitch. The workflow itself is simple. You prompt your idea, select your audience, platform, and appearance, edit the script or media if needed, and then make additional changes through prompts. It's also web-based, so there's no software download required. Of course, tools like this still depend on how clearly you describe what you want. Better prompts usually lead to better outputs. But if your goal is to go from idea to publishable video much faster, InVideo is clearly built around that exact use case. So if you've been looking for a simpler way to create videos with AI, InVideo AI is one of the tools pushing that process toward prompt-first video creation. And if you want to see whether it fits your workflow, it may be worth trying for yourself.